Something silly I've had on my vision board for the past few years has been to be in a major motion picture, and you know what? It happened. Well, kind of. Let me know if this counts. I was at my daughter's house and we rented the movie Twisters. There's this scene where the twister comes through this town and everything gets dismantled, and this lady goes and picks up these beloved pieces that were left over to put them in a box, and I catch this. This is a hand-painted mug that was painted at a paint-on pottery studio, and it says Nana. Someone painted that on there. But then I took a closer look. It's my mug. It's a mug I designed. You know how I designed bisqueware for Paint on Pottery Studios? It's the mug. Okay, now for the woo-woo part, because you know there's got to be woo-woo. This mug, I actually designed it inspired by one of my dad's favorite coffee cups. Back in the 80s, he'd come home from working at the city and he'd go in the garage and work on cars, and he'd say, Kathy, make me a cup. So I'd have to go in and make him a cup of coffee, and he always had the same kind of mug. What do you think? Does it count? Can I say I was officially in a major motion picture? I guess the takeaway is to be specific about what you put on your vision board, because you never know the way it's going to come to you.